right. Yeah, that'll do. Hello. You got oil all over the ground.
Yeah, don't ask.
Don't ask.
I wanted
Okay.
the chocolate fountain, but I didn't get it.
Oh,
You wasted
you aren't eating Tide Pods again, aren't you?
it. No.
Okay, good. Actual like Allen heads that go into a 3/8 wrench, so you can tighten your shit down. Drill bits. Actual Loctite for once, and
A big wrench.
handbrake handle.
Oh.
Yep. So what I'm thinking, lop this off. You don't need it.
Yeah.
Figure it's taller, you get more leverage.
Yeah.
You rest your hand on it.
Especially now that we have that hydro now.
So. Oh yeah. There's a big leverage there. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, that's gonna be awesome.
Are you wanting to try this today?
Yes. So today we're putting this in. It's a Willwood handbrake. I'm getting rid of his Amazon bought handbrake that I gave to him for a wedding present. So we really haven't had an issue with this, except it only locks up one wheel. That's whatever wheel is making less contact with the ground whenever he's transitioning. So, crap go out, good crap go in. And we tried doing it before, and the last time we did, we broke the fittings. Also, I got a camera again, because I killed the last one at the last drift event. And it's wrong. It's not as smooth, it's shake cam all the time, but it's waterproof. That's my fault. But for now, it's the only thing I got, so I'm using it, so you're gonna have to deal with it. So the handbrake he's been using for forever and a day, I actually gave to him as a wedding present.
Hi.
Yes, he got married. First thing I did, I bought him a handbrake. It was $40. I got it off Amazon. We had a hell of a time putting it in because we're incompetent morons. Now he finally upgraded.
Hi.
Now it's a Willwood unit. These two are still living in 2017. They're still playing Pokemon Go. So now that's out. So that's the Amazon one. I don't even know what the name was. This is a Willwood one. It should work. It will work. Just how well it works, it's, you know. All right, time to get sprayed with brake fluid. Ow, 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 oh God. There we go. Wow, that was
Willwood successfully installed.
wow, that was actually really easy.
That's how it should have gone.
That's how it should be. The wrenches that we need to get there, and when we get to the hardware store, just yank them off.
That works.
Okay, literally the easiest thing we have done to this car.
We actually started like 4 o'clock, so an hour and a half.
Really? That was it? Yeah. Okay, wow. That beats our usual average by about 6 hours. Give or take. So now, we gotta go to the hardware store. Now we're gonna get the new Yeet stick to work.
Testing. System. Testing. Testing.
What?
System ready.
With a nut on it, so I'd say probably at least an inch and a half.
What? No, that's 40. We could just cut them. Yeah.
I forgot about that.
I didn't. You big dummy. car is ridiculous. He hates you. So we're gonna cut this off, and then we're gonna take measurements and drill holes in it. Well, okay, it's not straight. Loppy Mechanics would be proud. That is freaking mint. Alright, so now to round off the giant sharp shanky bit that's going to cut me every time I try and move it. Okay, I made a shank. Excuse me, that actually looks a lot better. Right, I'm an idiot. Apparently there's like different types of drill bits, and I got like the worst kind. Gonna go over to his grandpa's shop and drill holes in this thing.
Yeah, I asked. I have a key. I think
Dude, there are 2 Previas!
I think this is a Chinese company.
No way! There are 3 of them! Oh my god! The mid-engine 4-wheel drive supercharged minivans, and there are 3 of them! Oh my god!
100 happy.
I am very happy! Oh, I haven't seen a Previa ever, and there are 3 of them! What? These are some very aggressive speed bumps.
Yeah, it's not funny, Mike.
Oh my. Okay. Wow. This is. Well, it looks a lot better than the other one.
I'm standing on train tracks.
No way. Yo. So, what happened here?
It used to be an old coal area.
Oh.
Yeah.
Cool. Well, we're halfway there. Wow! Thanks. Is that what you're looking for?
I think these are empty. No, they have stuff in them. That's empty. That's empty.
I could just take a bunch of different sizes.
Are we gonna flush mount bolts?
Yes.
We're gonna flush mount bolts into a wrench. If we're gonna make this look hacked, it's gotta be.
It's gonna be hacked right.
It's gonna be hacked perfect. Come with me, and you'll see a world of OSHA violations.
Brother.
There we go. Aha! Boom. Mint. We were in there a little longer than I thought we were. Holy crap! Wow! Wow! Alright, so we took his wrench over to his grandpa's shop. We got it all nice and ready. Yes, I know. I know it's there, okay? We went to the shop and then we flush mounted the bolts inside the wrench just for that extra bit of pizzazz. It's completely adjustable. We're gonna have it so it's sitting up and down. Dude, I think that's the best thing we've ever done. That is so cool. We've outdone ourselves. We really have.
Yay!
Yay, we did something right.
I'm a designer.
I'm a fabricator.
At this point, this handbrake is made out of an eBay handbrake.
This is an Amazon. The bracketry is an Amazon handbrake. The handbrake handle is a freaking $15 wrench from O'Reilly's
And then with a Willwood master.
with a Willwood master cylinder
We
on
just made
it.
our own handbrake.
We just made our own badass handbrake. No one has done that. I guarantee you, no one has a black Genesis with the 1 1/4 American wrench for a handbrake handle, Amazon bracket with a Willwood. We're setting records here today, people. I'm gonna go eat my burger now.
Fuck yeah.
This is just so cool looking.
So I can.
Dude, we did a thing.
Yes.
We did a thing, and it's freaking glorious, and no one can tell me otherwise. This is literally what we've been doing here for the last 5 minutes, is just staring at this thing. We've literally just sat here and stared at this e-brake.
We can go around the block really quick.
Just to see if it works. Okay.
I just want to.
Oh, shit. And the police are out. If you didn't see that, that was a police officer that just drove right by.
I think he went that way, though.
Pretty sure you went that way, though.
Roll this to see if the tires lock up in a straight line, or how much they lock up in a straight line.
Probably none.
That's what I'm predicting.
Are you sure about that?
Oh! Nice! Yeah!
We have success.
We have major success! Yes! 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 That is awesome! Leverage! Science!
Leverage.
Stay in school, kids! I was not expecting that!
I didn't expect it to lock in a straight line.
No!
Going that slow.
Dude, that's dope!
These are my big tires.
These are your big, meaty, grippy tires,
with
too.
the proper PSI.
Yes! Oh, this is gonna be good!
Oh man.
Oh, we've done a thing and it's glorious!
I'm glad I tested it.
That's awesome!
We have success.
We did a thing! Alright, well, we did a thing. Alright, that's it for today. Major success. Our bastard handbrake works, and it works really, really well, actually, and it looks really, really good. So, we can't complain. Thank you all for watching, and watching our little struggle/victory. If you like what you see, you like it. What is that?
Plasti dip testing.
If you like what you see, like and subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.